Superfoodies, and welcome back to Cooking with Angeli. Today I am going to try again at making the Shoryu Ramen Kit after last time's attempt. It wasn't really a fail. I managed to do it in about, I think it was 18 minutes. It's meant to be 10 minutes. We're gonna try again. This time I have 2 kits. Before we start, I just wanna let you know that I've added a few bits into this as well. So I've got a few boiled eggs, I've got some chopped up seaweed, which I'm gonna add into the ramen at the end, just to give it that little extra taste. I'm also gonna add some toasted, roasted seaweeds on top, sesame seeds on top. I'm super nervous because I didn't make the timing last time. And this time I'm doing 2 kits. On another note as well, last time I used the directions from this leaflet here. This leaflet's pretty good. It comes with the use by date and everything, and it gives you a step-by-step of how to make this. And then later on, I found this, which is the special instructions printed for the piri piri tonkotsu ramen kit, which is what we have. Last time we added the piri piri sauce on top. This time I'm going to do it how it was supposed to be done, and this is the piri piri sauce here. I'm gonna add it to the stock. So that's an extra mistake that I made last time. As well as one of my mistakes being, which cost me dearly in timing, cutting the spring onion with a pair of scissors. So this time I've got my knife ready, sharpened, and I'm ready to go. But yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so instructions. Pour the tonkotsu stock into the spicy sauce and into the pan of water. I've already got water boiling, and I'm gonna do all the water steps first today. So let's start. I need 800 ml, because I've got double the quantity. I'm gonna put that in, and we're gonna bring that to a boil. And I'm also, where is it? I'm gonna get the water ready for the noodles, and it doesn't tell me how much water to use, so we are gonna guesstimate it. Let's go. Hopefully that's enough for them both. And I'm just gonna put that on a low heat. Okay, what is next? Let's add the stock. Just gonna be careful not to burn myself. Come on. Oop. Lovely. It's been boiled for 12 hours. And then they package it up and they send it to us to reheat it in some water. I love this kit. I think that it's definitely super good value for what you're getting in there. All the hard work for ramen has basically been done for you. And it still tastes amazing. I've had bad ramen before, which I don't really want to think about right now, and it's awful compared to this. This is so good. Quite interesting to find out after we've done this whether it's 10 minutes per kit or 10 minutes. And I'm just trying to get it all out. Today we're gonna chop the vegetables again, but it's not gonna be with scissors. It is gonna be with a knife because it is quicker. I don't know what I was thinking last time. I was obviously panicking. Let's do veggies. It's a lot of spring onions. Doesn't need to be perfect. I'm just gonna keep going. Gonna get them as thin as I can. This is definitely way quicker than using scissors. And bearing in mind, this is 2 kits worth of spring onions. Done. Oh, it's too small. Great. Now for the jalapenos. I think last time, after my fiasco with the spring onions, I did chop the chilies, and this stock isn't moving either. Oh, it's pretty much melted, but it's all right. I can't cut on camera, guys. I just can't do it. It doesn't work. I can't cut. I can't do anything when there's a timing involved as well, a timer. I was half an hour late for this video. It just doesn't happen. Oh, okay.
Half an hour? That's been no.
Okay, 2 hours late. So like I said last time, I chopped my veg first. I'm gonna use the same chopping board. I'm gonna use the same knife, but all the veg is done, and now I'm gonna chop the meat. The pork has been cooked. We wanted, how many pieces? 3, 6. Okay, last time this was a bit of a fail. Wahey! Yeah, it tasted good, but obviously that had nothing to do with me. It's all right, guys. Second time lucky. Which pan? No.
Should it not be hot so you can just throw them in?
I didn't add the chili sauce to the stock. I need to do that. I spoke about it, but I didn't do it. It's okay. It's all right. We can salvage that. Let's do the pork first. Get those even as possible without losing a finger. Get the pork in. I'm gonna swap these around. Let's put this on a high heat. Let's add the chili sauce. Instructions from the pork literally say just to brown them. This is really good chili sauce. Okay, that's one. Making a mess. It's all good. Gonna add the noodles in next. So the noodles are only going to go in for 45 seconds. I need to make sure that they're separated as I put them in. I didn't do that very well last time. Set a timer for 45 seconds. Google is listening. Turn the pork down. The pork is fine. Char couldn't say this last time. Char siu pork. I called it char siu pork last time. Turn the stock off. I think it's done. I think that's for the noodles. They are not done. A few more seconds. Set a timer for 30 seconds.
Sure. 10 minutes and 30 seconds. Starting now.
30
seconds.
The struggles of Google and AI and Google not listening. Gonna do the noodles in 2 steps. Yeah, so the noodles are done. I think the pork is done. The ramen is done. This feels so much quicker than last time. Actually, keep that water on. Okay, second pack of noodles. Let's shake it up.
Got a noodle running away.
I'm gonna catch him. Okay, 45 seconds. Getting hot in here.
Now.
It's getting hot in here. Right, pork is done.
Regret wearing a jumper.
I regret wearing a jumper. I never need a jumper in my house. What was I thinking? It looked cute. Yeah, my brother is currently wearing shorts. We wear shorts even if it's snowing outside.
It is snowing outside. How long did you do that?
I have no idea. I don't want to guess. I don't care. I'm thinking about finishing. Plate up. Something tells me this is not gonna look pretty as last time. Stop. I need another pair of hands. Can you come and take the noodles out for me? Brothers, eh? Come on, pork. Cooperate. 1, 2, 3. Let's get the rest. Okay, we got ginger, mushrooms. Yeah, this is not good compared to last time. I know, my arm is though. Got spring onions, chili, which is not seaweed, more spring onions, egg. Mashed everything out of the egg. Please don't fall apart. This is a soft-boiled egg, boiled for 5 minutes and put in a ice bath. It is Benjamin TV's recipe, which I've been using for 7 or 8 years. And it's perfect every time. Okay, I think you should stop the timer because it's basically done. This is all extras.
17 minutes and 38 seconds.
When did I actually plate it all up?
17 minutes, 20 seconds.
Ah, I think it's 10 minutes per kit.
Per kit.
Yeah. Noodles!
How happens if you have good noodles?
They go mushy.
Have your noodles gone mushy?
Yes.
Your noodles have gone mushy. So this is another fail.
It's not a fail. It tastes good. It worked. I was much more efficient than last time. I thought maybe I'd done less than 10 minutes. I think when time is involved, everything goes out the window. My egg's just gone to beef. Here we go. Egg on top. Oh, my sesame seeds! There.
So that's 24 minutes for us to look at.
I think that I was so much more efficient than last time. I think I did well. I think it's because I had to make 2 kits. So I'm gonna say you can do 2 kits in 20 minutes if you're super efficient. If I hadn't have been stood for ages squeezing out the stock, for 2 stocks, I'd have been okay. Not an excuse, but I think it's still not a fail because it looks decent and it's gonna taste amazing. So I'm off to eat it. If you like this video, I mean, you can have this. However, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, press the bell icon for future videos. Comment down below if you want to see me do another Shoryu kit or any other kind of kit and which kit you guys want to see me do. If you guys want to check out my kit, some of my kitchen kit, my equipment that I use to film, I will leave a link to my kit code down below for you guys to check that out. I don't think there's anything else that needs to be said. Let's take pictures. Bye guys!